acting so strangely.
Here, let's have a look. He looks like he's running away from angry bees.
No, I think he's trying to stay cool.
What's cool about flapping your arms about like a batty butterfly? Let's go and find out.
First, I want to find out what was in that box that was left outside our door this morning.
To Rosie and Raggles. But it doesn't say who it's from.
What could be inside?
Oh, Rosie and the Raggles are going to love my present. It's not every day someone gives you their very lucky... Oh, pebble. Oh, dear. I forgot to put it in the box. Oh.
There must be some way I can do it.
Do what?
Huh?
What is it you're trying to do?
Oh, hello, Bluebird. I'm trying to fly.
A flying wheel!
When you finished,
Flying is an art. Something I know everything and anything about. Now, stand up. Hold out your arms. And close your eyes.
okay.
Ow.
What are you doing?
With these magic feathers, try to soar into the clear blue sky. That's right, Will. It's time to fly.
Oh,
Off you go then, flap, flap. Do you feel the magic, Will?
no, but I do feel silly.
Have you found anything yet?
No. That's funny. Will's sitting in our flower bin now.
And he looks really fed up.
I think it's time we found out just what's going on. Hello, Will.
Oh, hello, Rosie. Raggles.
What's up?
All I want to do is fly. Is that too much to ask?
Probably.
I even used Bluebird's magic feathers, but it's no good. I can't get off the ground.
Or maybe you're just not built to fly.
I think Raggles is right.
Great.
But that doesn't mean you can't try. And we're going to help. Aren't we, Raggles?
We are? Oh, yes. Yes, we are.
Hello, Rosie. Raggles. Oh. Now how am I going to give them my lucky pebble?
There must be some way we can get you to fly.
All I do is land with a bump, not fly like a bird.
It's a shame you don't have wings, like a plane.
Raggles, you are a genius.
Ugh.
Well, come on then.
Where to?
To get Will his wings. And now, for the moment you have looking for. Raggles, please. I give you Will, the flying boy. Ready, Will?
Ready!
Wait!
What's wrong, Big Bear?
Did you open your present?
It was from you.
But it was empty.
I know. I'm sorry. This was supposed to be inside.
Oh, it's lovely.
It's my lucky pebble. So everything you do will work out just fine. That's what a lucky pebble is for.
Oh, thank you, Big Bear. Your box made great wings for Will. And now, with this lucky pebble, Will's first flight can't fail. Good luck, Will.
Ready!
3, 2, 1.
Wow! Will has got his wings.
I'm flying! I'm flying!
Oh, that's my lucky pebble.
And my magic feathers.
Well done, Will.
You've got your wings.
All thanks to you, Rosie and Raggles. Hey, look at me go!
Uh-oh. And they're only practicing. What will happen when we race for real?
Look out, everyone! Here I come! Watch out!
Stop!
Poor Teddy. Oh, he's okay.
We need to do something before someone gets hurt. We need some road signs. And maybe someone to help direct the traffic, too.
Oh, me. I can direct traffic. Watch. Oh,
That's perfect. Come on, everyone. Let's make some signs and put them up around the racetrack so we can practice for the race safely.
Right. Let's see how well I can skateboard round the racetrack. Path clear. Yes. Nice and steady. Here goes. Not so fast. Ooh, mind how I go. Ooh, can't be too careful.
Nicely done, Raggles.
Thanks. This is fun, but I still wish Rosie would let me ride the twooter. Stop! Red means stop.
But there's nothing there.
Can't be too careful. We don't want any accidents. And I'm the traffic bird, so you have to do what I say.
Ugh.
Thanks, Bluebird. Come on, green means go.
Finally!
Beep, beep, beep. Go, go, go. Stop! Stop! Oh, hello. First Bluebird and now this road sign. Stop! Go! Slow down! Go round! Go! I mean, turn!
Oh, no. with all these signs, it's even more confusing and more dangerous.
Birdie, Betty, Rosie.
Oh no! Is everyone okay?
I think so, Rosie.
I'm so sorry. It's all my fault. I've been busy telling everyone else to be careful, but then it was me that caused an accident.
Don't feel bad, Rosie. You tried really hard to make things safer. Maybe a little too hard.
I think you're right, Raggles. Maybe we need to get rid of all these.
Oh, what about my job? I make a great traffic bird, don't I? Well...
You tried your best, Bluebird, but how else can we make it safer?
Well, I did pick up a few tips when I was practicing on the skateboard. Would you like me to show you?
Yes, please, Raggles.
Yay! Stop! Everyone! What's wrong, Raggles? We need to stop at the edge of the path and check it's clear before we cross over, just in case.
Good thinking, Raggles.
It looks safe to me, Raggles. Can we cross over now?
Yes. Oh, watch out, Holly. There's a hole. Thank you, Raggles. That was close.
Well done, Raggles. Looks like we all need to pay more attention.
Slow down, little acorns. You need to be very careful when people are crossing. Sorry.
Oh, does that mean I can't drive fast anymore?
No, we just need to be more careful, that's all. Besides, the fastest doesn't always finish fast, you know.
What do you mean?
It's something Safi told me. OK, does anyone have any questions?
Yes. Can we race now?
Race!
What do you think, Raggles?
Yeah! Race time!
OK, everyone. The winner of the race will enter the maze and raise their flag in victory. Ready, Bluebird? On your marks, get set.
Go! Whoops! Stay on the edge of the track, Bluebird. Safety first. Go, Rosie! Go, Raggles! Faster, Big Bear! Coming through!
That's what you think. Whoa! Oh!
Well done, Raggles.
Safi was right. I didn't have to be the fastest to win. I just had to be a safe driver. Hooray!